Welcome to the course on the passive voice. In this section, we'll learn about the present simple passive. The structure for the present simple passive is am, is, are, add, past participle. We use this tense when talking about general facts, routines, or things that happen regularly. For example, the reports are read every morning. Next, let's move on to the present continuous passive. The structure is am, is, are, add, being, add, past participle. We use this tense when describing actions happening right now. For example, the room is being cleaned at the moment. Now let's look at the past simple passive. The structure for this tense is was, were, add, past participle. We use it when talking about actions that were completed in the past. For example, the report was finished yesterday. Next, we have the past continuous passive. The structure is was, were, add, being, add, past participle. We use this when describing actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, the room was being painted when I arrived. Now let's look at the future simple passive. The structure is will be, add, past participle. We use this tense to talk about actions that will happen in the future. For example, the email will be sent tomorrow. Let's move on to the present perfect passive. The structure is have, has, add, been, add, past participle. We use this tense to talk about actions that were completed in the past and have a connection to the present. For example, the documents have been reviewed. Now we'll learn about the past perfect passive. The structure is had been, add, past participle. We use this tense when we want to talk about an action that was completed before another action in the past. For example, the report had been submitted before the meeting started. Finally, let's cover the future continuous passive. The structure is will be, add, being, add, past participle. We use this when describing actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, the house will be being cleaned at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Congratulations, you've now learned how to use the passive voice in 7 different tenses. Keep practicing and you'll soon master it. Good luck with the rest of the course.